Alright guys, tonight we are going to be doing the large recipe of the month. It is grilled brats. We got some brats over there. We're going to take and do those on the side. The onion actually goes in with the recipe. I'm going to do the peppers also. Got a red and an orange. And then I also have some Enamel that I'm going to take and grill. And then we're going to grill some asparagus. And then I'm going to actually use this. I think this will work good for the onions, so we'll use that out on the grill and we'll get started. Alright guys, we are taking and cooking the brats in beer. We're using Shiner. We're not going to use light beer. Shiner's good for everything, so we're going to take and get this boiling, get those cooked, and while this is cooking I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up everything. Alright guys, one thing, I have never grilled asparagus before, so I looked online, and one thing I learned that was kind of cool is if you take an asparagus and you take and bend it, you're supposed to find the natural break spot. And this part you're supposed to get rid of. The rest of it you can use as a guide to cut the other ones to length. Thought that was pretty cool. So I'm going to cut these, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put these in a gallon bag. And then I'm going to take in, it's got olive oil, black pepper, and salt. Just mix it up real good. And then we'll take these out there and put them straight on the grill. Alright, so if we kind of line it up, that piece on the end, there is our good parts. And put them in the bag. Close it up and shake it up, move it around, get everything seasoned and oiled, and it's ready to take out, and we'll toss it on the grill. We'll get everything going. Alright guys, to get the sliced onions, they said they wanted them thin, so I'm going to use a mandolin, and we just take and slide it over, back and forth. We'll let it do the work so that we don't have to, cut everything up. I know the first time that I got one of these, it was not this one, it was a different one, but it did not have the sliding piece. I don't know what happened to it. So, I didn't know what to do, so I started using it, and the first thing I did is got down to where I nearly cut the end of my finger off. So you got to be careful with these things, but those should be thin enough for what they're wanting. So take this, put it in there, push this down, get that over there, and then you have to hold this handle down. This cuts down a little bit on the onion smell, but not all of it. Alright, so toss that piece. Now we got the onions done. Just let you see real quick what they came out. See, everything come out real nice and sliced. Alright guys, since I saw how many onions we've got, I'm going to go ahead and use the United States of America, the 250th. This is the chef skillet. Awesome little skillet. 4th of July, just makes sense. So we're going to take and use this one instead of the heart. And the brats aren't even close yet. So we're going to take and cut up some of the peppers right now. What I'm going to do to these is basically I'm going to cut them right down like this. And I'm going to cut them right down the center as good as I can, because I'm just going to toss them right on the grill. Come in here, get rid of the seeds, put that on the stack of onions. So that's how I'm going to do the Anaheims. And then for the big red ones, I'm going to take in, going to go around the outside. Pop that off. That pulls out most of the seeds when you do it that way. And I'll just reach in there, grab those out. I'm just going to basically quarter them along the line. And we'll just toss them on the grill and see how they cook up. Definitely take the sticker off. Might have to do them in eighths. And then just pop them on there and let them crisp up a little bit. They should be pretty good. Get some of the smoke in it. But that's how I'm gonna get these done. We've got the asparagus done. We got the peppers. I'll get the rest of these peppers cut up, and we'll be ready to go. All right, guys, these are starting to boil good, so I'm going to take and put them down on a simmer, and then I'm gonna go get the fire ready. All right, guys, since we have the fire going, it's gonna take about 10, maybe 15 minutes to burn down enough to where the coals are going to be ready to put in the grills. It's kind of overcast now, like a front's kind of moving in. I mean, it's still pretty warm out here, but nothing compared to what it was earlier. Earlier, I probably could have just set these out here and they would have cooked right on the grill with no heat at all. But we shall return. All right, guys, I got pretty much everything moved outside. I went ahead and put the ingredients in with the butter. It's only been there a second. It's already starting to melt that. What we'll do is we'll start on the veggies over here, and once that melts down, I'll put the onions in there, and then we'll use the new one on the brats. Let's get everything going. All right, guys, we have part one on. Got a little bit of, I'm just going to toss that in there, see how that turns out. I'm actually, to hold the brats, I'm using my Lodge stoneware. I'm not sure when these came out, but every once in a while I find a piece, and I've got probably 6 or 7 pieces, mostly the small ones, but I've got one really big one, I've got 2 this size, and then like 4 or 5 of the small ones. But alright, guys, we'll just sit back and let everything cook. Alright, guys, this is what the final product looks like. Got the 2 brats, got the onions on top, got a couple of the Anaheims, then got some asparagus, some of the bell peppers, and another hot dog. And if we spin around here, we'll see the rest of what we got done. We still have some peppers on the grill there. We got the onions still simmering pretty good there. Overall, both grills did awesome. I put more coals in this one, so it had a little bit more heat. This one kind of burned down a little bit, but it's a good thing because I'm done now, so it'll take and burn down for a little while, and it'll be good to go. And then tomorrow I'll come out and clean them all out and put them back up. Hope everybody has a great night.